Dear friend, good morning and welcome to Genius Education. Here we are the Indians and we have to know and we should to know about the problems of water in India. So let's know some fact about India and the of water in India. So we know everybody's water is the basic needs and water is the universal substances and if there is no water there is no life. So let's know the fact about how the water is impacting to the peoples and agriculture and their daily lives or human mankind. So let's know the first thing. There are some regionals and some serious fact that we have took here to discuss right now is the first point you can see India has a serious water problem and we should to do something to estimate and to equilibrium or to neutralize the problems. So here is the major fact is written as you can see this. The 2030 Water Resource Group estimate that if we continue to consume water as per the current rate, India will have only half the water it needs by 2030. A flashpoint that's only 10 years away. Yani this is 2022 and it has just 8 years. Nearly 80% of India's freshwater is used in agriculture. You can see this line too. Another one is over half of Indians cultivated land is under water intensive crop. 50% of India's 141.4 million hectares of cultivable land is under water intensive crop like rice, wheat, sugarcane and cotton. India uses at least twice the amount of water to grow 1 unit of food versus comparable countries. India's farmers rely mainly on tube well to extract groundwater. For their crops, despite India's large drains and canal system, groundwater accounts for 63% of water used for irrigation by farmers, like canals and account for only 26%. Conservative estimates suggested that India has over 30 million borewells today, and as of 2009, for every 4 cultivated household, one owned a tube well and two purchased groundwater from tube well owners. India drew nearly 25% of the world groundwater that more groundwater that China and United States combined. 60% of Indian districts have been declared critical on groundwater. This means that they either have sacred supply of poor quality of groundwater or both. India depleting groundwater reserve also impact our drinking water. India is ranked 120 out of 122 countries in the global water quality index. And you can see the train number line is so important. The country water crisis has a significant economic cost. A Niti Aayog respect suggested that said water security will eventually lead to a 6% loss of the country's GDP.